evening, good morning, good afternoon, well, wherever you are. Um, the start today is the start the successful online business. So this is the 10,000 of people that successful business owner. So how can we use our program to start a successful online business? Your future start in here. If you want to work online but you're not sure where you start, this program is just what you need. Okay, and this community, they share each other and they help each other and find the right product things to do online. It is high tested proven system, so it's running this business from 2016, and it's real. No matter where you live or what your experience is, we can help you work and work the perfect time for you to join our thriving community of online entrepreneurs. So what we can achieve with the passion, hard work, and right partnership, the online business, it has become a source of inspiration for the other online entrepreneur. So remember, success is a product of consistency, patience, and positive mindset. Embrace each step and what they call that, embrace the steps and embrace the challenge, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. This is the start of this business and filled with endless possibility and growth. So if you wanna if you wanna learn more, so in this social media to get the business leads, personalized business system, but system man they manage for you. So access to live weekly masterminds, and then okay, bakit ganito? Okay, so in this month I've been discovered so much been just a business. It's then more than that, just a business. I found myself, I'm no longer someone who just goes along with what others expect of me, trying to fit and mold and I've helped people made a real impact and felt the appreciation and I never expected I've grown it. Okay, bye for now.